You can't see where time is lost or why deadlines are slipping. Meet Time and State, your all-in-one tool to track how long work items stay in each state. Once you install the extension, your board will show exactly how much time every task has spent in every stage. Get instant insights with powerful reports. You can choose one of the 4 types: time and state, average time, state count, or transition count. Filter work items using project-wide filters. View all items or only epics, and choose between created, changed, or closed items. You can also set custom time limits for more precise analysis. Need deeper analysis? Export data to Excel or CSV and calculate cycle time, lead time, or custom KPIs. Depending on your schedule, Time and State adapts. You can customize your calendar to exclude weekends, breaks, or holidays, so your reports show only real working hours. You can also set SLAs for any workflow state. Time and State highlights items nearing their limits, so you instantly see which tasks need attention. And based on the data you receive, you can automatically generate 3 types of charts: pie, bar, and area chart. You can also download these charts and use the visuals however you need. Now every team member knows where time goes, where to improve, and how to stay on schedule. Thank you for watching.